Hey Flip fam, so Airbnb number 4 out of 10 for 2021. Want you guys to check it out, so come on inside. Alright guys, so Airbnb number 4, Glendale, Arizona. This unit I bought in 2014 for $44,000. It's worth about $150 today. 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Glendale, Arizona, right near the Glendale football stadium. So there's a lot of neat things in the area to check out. So I'll show you around. This is a little kitchen area. You have the couch over there. You have the mirror, signature blue wall that I love to use. Put the flat screens in all of the units. One in the living room and then one in the master. So this kitchen I redid about 4 years ago, so I didn't have to do anything this time to renovate the kitchen. So I bought some white cabinets. About 4 years ago, I had these granite countertops already installed, so had everything in here for the rental, but then I had to buy all the supplies and everything for the guests to stay at the unit. So we bought dishes, silverware, blenders, coffee maker, everything that makes it feel like a home when the guests come to visit. So let's check out the laundry room here. We got the washer dryer in the unit, and then we have 3 bedrooms back here. This is the first bedroom, and everything I bought for this bedroom I bought on an app that my daughter found. It's called Nextdoor. So it's a local app where you can buy furniture, and so all this is in great condition, but we saved a lot of money by using that app. Let's check out one of the bathrooms here. This is the guest bathroom. Went with the grays. We put in a new toilet here, but the vanity and the countertops were already here as a rental. We put in some new lighting, added some pictures, decor there. This here is our second bedroom, cozy bedroom. Some of this stuff, artwork I already had, so I just brought it down. This bedroom set I went to Big Lots and just picked up a discounted bed frame. Next Airbnb, we're gonna go to Wayfair and we're just gonna buy the headboards and then the bed frames at Costco. So that's even gonna save us more money. So I'm learning as I go. Again, this is Airbnb number 4. This is a giant closet in there. Love the high ceilings in this unit. Real excited about getting it launched. We should go live about 2 days, so we're just getting it all tidied up. Cleaners are coming back on Monday. This is the master bathroom here. Again, I added some pictures, a new mirror, new lighting in there, but cabinets, countertops were already there from like 4 years ago when I added them. New bed frame. New mattresses, of course. We use all brand new mattresses. Found a hookup through my buddy Cam on the mattresses. They make them locally in Arizona. A couple $100 for each mattress, so shout out to those guys. Signature blue wall. I got the mirror I like there. And then again, each master we try to put in a flat screen 55 inch TV so people are comfortable. Yeah, so that is Airbnb number 4. I'll break down the numbers in a separate video, but this one cost me, let's see, $6,000 on renovations, and then about $7,500 for decor, bedding, supplies, everything. So out of pocket total for this unit was $13,500, and it should go, we're gonna start around $199 right now. It's in Glendale, like I said. Test the market, see what $199 brings us. But again, 3 bedrooms, should fit. We got a couple of air mattresses, we got the big couch, so should fit about 8 to 10 people. So that's a heck of a deal, $199 a night. So I'm having a good feeling that we should be pretty solid on this one. So check out my YouTube channel for more info. Peace.